In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use car vouchers here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to do this, what I would recommend doing first is actually opening up the auto show. So essentially just go to the auto show. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you can access this from a bunch of different stuff, whether it is any house or the Horizon Festival site. It's up to you how you access this, but open up the auto show, choose the car that you want to buy, and you could sort by value if you want. There's a bunch of stuff to sort by. If you want to find the most expensive cars first, I'd recommend sorting by value. And then just tab over to whatever the most expensive car is, right? From here, what you need to go ahead and do is find the car that you want, select it, choose a livery or manufacturer color, and then, essentially just proceed to the purchase screen itself. It's going to say that you can buy auto show car vouchers. Go ahead and do that. And then, of course, you can go ahead and if you have a car voucher available, use that option instead. Obviously, I don't have any car vouchers available, so it's not going to give me that option. But that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.